welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the instance block. So let's start. So instance block is also called as instance initializer block. It is a block of code that runs every time an object of a class is created. So basically an instance block is also known as the instance initializer block, and it is a block of code that runs only when the object is created. Okay. Next point is it is used to initialize instance variable or perform some actions when an object is instantiate. Instance block is used to initialize the instance variable. Okay. Or when the object is created, it is also used to perform some actions. Okay. Let's see some key points about the instance block. So first point is runs for every object. So that means instance block executes each time a new object is created. So basically when a new object is created, a instance block is executes every time. Okay. Next point is executes before the constructor. That means the instance block runs right after the object is created but before the constructor is called. After the execution completion of the instance block, then the constructor is executed. Okay. So next point is defined inside the class. So that means it is written inside the class but outside any method or constructor. So that means instance block is written inside the class only. It is not written inside the method or any constructor. Okay, so let's see some practical. I've created a class called demo, and in that I've created a main method. Public return type will be int and the method will be multi. Okay. In this we will pass two parameters, int a and int b. Okay, so we have to multiply these two numbers, and in this we will simply return a into b. Okay, so this method is an instance method. Okay, so let's call the instance method from the main method. So for that we have to create a object. Okay, so let's create the object for the class. So demo d1 is equal to new demo. Okay, so this way we create an object for the class. So this is the name of the class, then this is the object reference, then we use the new keyword dynamic allocation, and then we use a constructor. Okay, so this way we can create an object. So for the instance block we need to create the object for the class. If we not create the object for the class, then we cannot be accessible to the method. So basically we cannot access the method. Okay, so let's call the method. So for that, print. Now we will call d1 dot the method name. Okay, so we have to use the object reference, then dot multi, that means the method name. Okay, so this way we can access the instance block methods. So let's we pass here 5, 10. So we have passed two parameters 5 and 10 here. Okay. Now let's run the code and see what will be the output. So I've run the code and the output that I've get is 50. So as you can see that 5 into 10 is 50. Okay. This way we call the instance block method from the main method. Okay. Take a note, we need to create the object for the instance block. Okay. We will not able to access the method. Okay. Second point, in instance block, we can access static variables as well as non-static variable. Okay. So this is all about the instance block. So thank you for watching this video.